In this video, we're going to be taking a look at business searches. So if your target happens to be a business, these are going to be some tools and techniques that you can employ to help you with your OSINT search. So first off, if you're doing a OSINT on a business, you'll want to take a look at their company website if they have one. Things you want to look for on their website is going to be the URL you want to take a look at if there's a company directory. So take a look at names, employee names, positions. Do they have a news section? Do they have a photo gallery? Do they have a forum? Telephone numbers, calendars. If they do have photos posted, you want to take a look at what you could find in those photos. Does it show their server room? Does it show the layout of their building? Does it have show things like operating systems, or if you get lucky, maybe it'll have a photo, sticky note on the monitor that has a password on there. Does the photo contain metadata in there? Things like geolocation and other information that might be relevant. Do they have a Twitter or Facebook page? If they do, you want to check those out also. So things like that you want to take a look at for company websites. Another thing you could do is each state should have some sort of business search page. So this page up here I have is for California, and that can be found at businesssearch.sos.ca.gov/CBS. So on this site, it's publicly available information. So you can search by corporation name, LP, LLC, entity number, and your search criteria. So a while back I was actually doing an OSINT search on a company that I felt was a little questionable, and so I was able to use this site, and this is basically what it'll pull up. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit on here. There we go. So I redacted some of the information on here. So things that you could find on here is the date that they filed, the corporation name, street address. Now down in here is actually information that actually came in really handy for me in determining how this company was being operated. So down in here it lists the who registered as a chief executive officer, the secretary, chief financial officer, and other directors of that company. So my particular case, I did find some names on there that actually came up as a conflict of interest. So again, doing a business search came in extraordinarily handy. And this is all publicly available information. Other places you can go to find more information out about companies is Bizpedia, found at bizapedia.com. And you can enter the company name, the city name, and the state and province to get more information. And another great place that has a lot of public information, a lot of companies register with the Better Business Bureau. So you could actually use this to find more information about that company, complaints, reviews, things like that. Potentially find more information and build a bigger picture about that particular company. So again, this was about business searches. Thank you.